Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your Roblox password. All right, let's begin. If you want to view your saved Roblox password, you can check your browser's password manager. This method only works if your login details were previously saved when signing in. Open your web browser and go to the settings menu. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then navigate to passwords and autofill and open the password manager. Other browsers follow a similar process, usually found in settings under security or saved logins. Once inside the password manager, use the search bar to look for Roblox. When you find the saved login, click on it to view the details. You may be asked to enter your device password or verify your identity for security. After verification, your saved password will be revealed. If your password is not saved, you will need to reset it using the official Roblox recovery option. So that's basically how you can see your Roblox password. That's it for this video. Thanks.